Babe, save me dot from those dot pick-me's.
Don't call me baby.
Pftlamau.
Sabao Jane.
Wait a single quotes lol. Call her.
Bro, I'm busy. What you want now?
Roast this, girl.
Fine.
Girl, you're dot the one who's dumb.
Bro, when I calculate your IQ even the calculator say is uncountable.
You're ugly.
I have a question. When did I became your twin?
You're stupid.
Thanks, I was trying to act like you.
Go to H3LL.
See you there.
You're fat.
It can be fixed unlike your face.
That's it, I'm leaving.
Na na na.